show you how to build a river model. So, do you know how to make a river flow?
No.
Well, stay tuned to find out and let's get started! So you will need one aluminium pan, some aluminium foil, a bottle with water, blue food coloring, sticky tape, one nail, a pair of scissors, some pebbles, sand and wood chips, a small bowl, and a box, but you can also use a book, and some paper towels in case you make a mess. Did you know that water flows from rivers to the ocean and sea? Step 1. Add a drop or two of blue food coloring to the water. Step 2. Fold the aluminium foil into a river bed. Step 3. Trim the end of the foil to fit the pan. Step 4. Place the rubber bed into the pan and secure it with tape. Flatten the bottom of the riverbed with your fingers. Step 5. Now place the sand, pebbles and wood chips around the river. This is to model the landscape. Step 6. Carefully pour water into the river model. Does the river model look like a real river?
Not yet. The water is not moving.
Step 7. Place the small bowl at one end of the pan. Place the box on the other end. Step 8. Using the nail, poke holes into the end of the aluminium pan and let the water drain out of your river. Step 9. Pour more water at the start of the river and watch it flow. The river water flows downhill towards a lake, an ocean, or another river.
Wow!
This river is so amazing!
Yes, it is! And now you know how to make your own river model. If you try the STEM activity, send us some pictures in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel!